Okay, here you go. Those the 6 cookies. I like them hot, so let me get to it. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button, like, notification bells, so you can know when I post my next video, and share it out to a friend. All right, y'all, have a blessed one and stay warm. Hey everybody, I know everybody inside, and what's better than to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies? Yes. Before you start, preheat your oven on 350. I'm gonna start by adding the butter. Ain't nothing like a good chocolate chip cookie. That's 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And don't forget, when you measure your brown sugar, you want it packed it in there so you'll know exactly how much it is. I'm using my homemade brown sugar also. So what you want to do, you want to cream the sugar and the butter together. Which usually I use my mixer, but I'm just going to do it with this. It's crazy that you know what brown sugar is now, so You could probably get away. I guess the brown sugar or the molasses make the cookies a little softer. So you could probably just put some regular sugar and add molasses. So that turned out pretty good. Okay, now that it's creamed, I'm gonna add my dash of salt. I don't put a lot of salt in my recipes. And then I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Then I'm gonna add 2 1/4 cups of flour. That's just a 4. And here go the 2 cups. Before I mix that all up, I need a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda, not powder. I'm making a mess, but your family will love you for this, for a good treat. Yeah, this is work, so I advise y'all to use y'all mixers. But this old school. It's almost there though. You do it like this, you'll you won't over mix it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. We almost ready. It's amazing how a teaspoon of vanilla go a long way. It smells so good. And after you do that, you just toss in the chocolate chips. Start off with a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup, depending on how much chocolate chips you want. Probably a 1/2 cup to a whole cup. And then you can add like nuts, all that. Now, one tip that I want to tell you is that once you finish mixing your chocolate chip dough, sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. So when you put your cookies on a cookie sheet, like if I put it in the cookie sheet just like this, they'll melt and be flat. So if you put it in a chill it for about an hour, they won't they'll have some substance to it. I'll be back when we put them in the oven. Okay, this is dinner tonight too. Cornbread, chicken thighs, that's onions and green pepper on top. Green beans, and then we have this. Oh, it's hot. This is Great Northern beans. And then I love to cook my beans with ham bone. So I took a ham bone. This is gonna be fire. Okay. Hey, I just wanted to show y'all this. I will never ever regret being a prepper. Here, I bought this at the end of the season last year. About $2. It's probably about, I think on the internet, about 10 something to about $50 for that. But I was able to clear a little bit my walking space because look at that. I'm not going nowhere, but still I could clear my little sidewalk. See, that's all the way up the sidewalk. My apartment, the management apartment, they haven't cleared nothing out. But when you prep up, you always prepared. Okay, we back. So let me show you how the cookie dough turned out after I let it That's how the cookie dough look after I let it chill. So let's get into it. Scoop it out. I get this camera to act right. Stay right there. So I'm gonna start off with 6. So I'll come back when they done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on a glove. I'm gonna put on a glove like this. And just press them down a little bit. So there you have it. We'll be back. Okay, here you go. Those the 6 cookies. I like them hot, so let me get to it. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button, like, notification bells, so you can know when I post my next video. And share it out to a friend. All right, y'all have a blessed one and stay warm.